this nail art, all we need is a stamping plate, nail art stamp scraper, nail art stamper, and of course a palette and acrylic paint and top coat, but always never forget the brush. So now we're mixing our paints. I'm adding white because I want to achieve a pastel kind of blue. My acrylic paint that I have is so striking. I mean, the blue is so bold for me. Is that the right term? But I want some light colors, so I'm adding more white. And I'm adding water so that the consistency will be smooth. If you're gonna ask me why I'm still using acrylic paint, I'm still using it because I don't want to risk going outside, since my parents won't let me outside just to buy nail polish. I'm improvising using the paints that I have to have nice pretty nails. If you're also gonna ask me why didn't I just order online, because I don't know. I'm just on a tight budget right now. So now I'm painting the nails with the first layer, and I'll be adding the second layer as it dries. So now I'm choosing which one to stamp on my nail. I'm planning to use this butterfly and this 5 little birds on the side. So I'm using black paint. This one didn't show up nicely, so I'm repeating it again. This is kinda messy, and I did it on the thumb because it will serve as a test stamp to see if it will stamp the details nicely. Now I'm adding the 5 birds to see if it will look nice together. It looks okay, but I think it's because the paint I didn't pick up all the paint, so it doesn't look like 5 birds. For me, it looks just like 5 random dots or paints. I forgot to film this part where the butterfly is really nice because I'm running out of storage. So now I'm doing it again, but my stamper didn't pick it up nicely, so I'm doing it again and again, cleaning it immediately so that it won't dry, scraping it, and I didn't like it. Again, stamp. It looks nice, the detail looks nice, but it's incomplete, so I'm doing it again. And again. Stamping is really hard. I don't know why I'm stamping it on my pinky, but let's just go for it. Now it looks slanted, and I don't really like that slanted butterfly. I want everything to be even, so I'll be removing it by adding water and wiping it with a cloth. So now I'm cleaning my plate and then I'll be painting my nails again, just what I did on the previous videos. It's really tiring and it has a lot of procedures, but I don't know, I'm weird, I don't know what I'm doing. So now we're on the second layer and we'll wait for it to dry. So while waiting for it, I'll be stamping my other nails. Using the butterfly. Oop, didn't pick up. My stamper didn't pick it up. Hi. Didn't pick it up, so we're gonna do it again and again. And again and again. Oop, no, I don't like that. Oops. No. No. Looks dirty, but the details looks nice, so we're just gonna clean it up using a wet brush and wiping off the excess. This is one of the advantages of acrylic paint. You can just wipe it off. And then stamping it on the nail. I hope this one goes straight. Ooh, it looks nice, but there are little gaps on the butterfly. But we're just gonna fill it out later with acrylic paint again. Oh, yeah, we're doing it right now. We're painting the gaps. Just filling up the details so that it will look even. I'm still thinking about adding the 5 birds, but I'm planning not to because the butterflies looks good on itself. So now I'm scraping it, stamping, and it looks uneven and incomplete, so I'm doing it all again and again until I achieve what the heart desires. Stamping it. It's okay, so even though it's incomplete, I'll just fill it with acrylic later. So, what did I do? There's a black. What's that? So I'll just covering it up with the blue acrylic paint. So you won't see any of my mess. Just covering up the things that aren't pleasing to the people of the earth. So now I also forgot to film the part where I got this pretty butterfly with complete details. I wish I got that for the middle finger, so the butterfly will be nice, but it looks great. I didn't expect I will get the best one for the last finger. So now we're finished, and I didn't really add the 5 butterflies because it looks good on its own and I don't want to mess it up. So now we're on, and I did a few shots. This will be up on my Instagram, so check it out. It looks really nice. Oh, and by the way, I also forgot, don't forget to top it off. I forgot to film it. Don't forget to top it off with the top coat, or else it will immediately get out of your finger just by washing your hands. So to seal it in, lock it in with a quick dry top coat. Okay. So now we're done. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.